Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best t-shirt printer for beginners available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best t-shirt printer for beginners, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. OYfame A4DTF Epson L805 Printer. OYfame A4DTF Printer A4 for Epson L805 DTF, a printer machine directly to film printer for fabric clothes t-shirt printing machine. Can print any fabrics and colors, ensuring vibrant, long-lasting results on t-shirts and more. Max print size is A4 size, perfect for creating custom designs on a variety of garments. Comes with a DTF oven, DTF powder, and ink, offering a comprehensive setup for immediate printing. Includes a user manual and remote after-sales support for hassle-free operation and guidance. Includes A4 PET clear film and DTF ink, ensuring professional-grade prints with every use. Number 2. Jetvinner 33cm Epson XP600 DTF Printer. 33cm DTF Printer for Epson XP600 DTF Printer, direct-to-film transfer printer for hoodies t-shirt printing machine. A3 DTF Printer, with white ink circulation and white ink stirring to prevent ink separation and white ink precipitation. Good white effect and prevent print head clogging. Use Hansen motherboard, stable output and printing, stable performance. Use RIN software, no spot color required, easy to operate, can print directly, supporting ICC files. Bright colors. Equipped with a suction platform to prevent the printed film from warping and damaging the print head. Provide permanent technical support. When you receive the printer, we will create an after-sales group for you, and professional technicians will assist you in using the printer. Number 3. Colorsun A3 DTF Printer R1390. Colorsun A3 DTF Printer R1390 Impressora A3 DTF T-shirt printing machine for Epson. A3 DTF printers for t-shirt hoodies fabric for Epson R1390 printhead A3 size 290 x 420 11.42 x 16.54 inches. DTF printer. White ink stirring, filtering and circulation to prevent white ink clogging. Real-time monitoring of temperature and humidity. Built-in heating device to accelerate ink curing, with heat function. Solidify white ink. White ink and color ink can be printed at the same time to improve. Number 4. Jetvinner DTF A3 Epson Dual i3200 Printer. A3 i3200 DTF Printer. Colors CMYK plus www. Printhead for Epson i3200 x 2. Printing speed 4.8 square meters/hour. Maximum printing width: 31 cm/13 inch. Ink consumption: 1 square meter/20 milliliters. Operation system: Windows 7/11. White ink stirring. Keep the white ink activity. Automatic perm white ink with vacuuming suction platform. Prevent film from moving during print. With 2 PCSI 3200 print heads. Fast printing speed and good print. Number 5. OYfame A3R1390 DTF Printer. Choose from multiple package options, including ink, powder, and film, to get started with your DTF printing right away. Enhance your prints with the white ink mixing function, reducing precipitation and ensuring a smooth, even color distribution. The DTF process offers a durable, silkscreen-like finish that adheres to various fabrics, including 100% cotton and polyester blends. Achieve vibrant, long-lasting prints with the OYfame A3 DTF transfer printer, ensuring your designs stay bright and fade-resistant. Print large-scale designs with the A3 size NR1390 printer head, perfect for creating iconic